I'm the icebreaker. Okay, that's it. Hello, my name is heofil Hoffmann, Key Account OEM Sales Manager at 39. 39 is specialized in oil mist care, offering smarter solutions for cleaner air in industrial environments. We've been a technology leader in this niche for over 20 years. And at EMO, we are proud to present the Apex series, our latest generation in oil mist eliminators. Our patented technology, disc stack separation, remove 99.9% of all particles right at the source. This unique technology allows the collected coolant to be returned to the machine tool for using and avoiding bacteria. This drastically reduces buildup in the final HEPA filter, which cuts down filter changes and cost. The result? Healthy environment, healthy employees, cleaner air, less waste, and lower maintenance. We are helping companies to improve the environmental footprint and to lower cost. Built on our proven platform and now enhanced with a brand new control software systems, the Apex series offers improved performance monitoring, predicted maintenance, and even lower operating costs. If you are looking for a smarter solution, more sustainable way to eliminate oil mist, 39 is your choice. Please visit us on Hall 11, booth 26.
Awesome, massive. So great start.